Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see in the title, in today's video I'm going to dye my own hair. This is the final where you kind of see the results before I actually like show you how I done it. So if you're interested in today's video, make sure you keep on watching. So the first thing, I'm wearing a very old t-shirt. Yeah, your hair obviously, especially I have my hair is obviously black, like everything's gonna be black. Okay, so what do we need for this hair dyeing thing? So the first thing, I normally dye my hair with these hair dyes, and then the reason for it is because there is no ammonia in these ones. So I have a very sensitive skin, so if I dry it with just anything, then normally my scalp starting to be really dry and itchy and stuff. So these ones are really good. And then I have a deep black 1.0. Then obviously you're going to need a bowl, a hairbrush, and a little clip to like hold my hair together. For me, the reason to dye my hair is not just fashion. So I'm not dyeing my hair because I wanted to dye my hair. I'm dyeing my hair because I have to. So if you want to see, I don't know how much you can see, but so many grey hairs. You can definitely see under this light, but yeah, it's so many. It's like, I think if I didn't have my hair dyed, probably like half of my hair is like grey now. And this is something I had like run in my family. So I started to get grey hairs when I was about like 16. I'm gonna start doing my hair while I'm talking. So yeah, I was around like 16 when my hair started to go grey, and it's just getting worse. I can be a white old lady when I get older with a long white hair. Everyone's getting creeped out. Okay, so you have these colorant cream in it. There we go. Not sure if like, if there's like a thing like people dyeing their own hair or everyone's just going to the hairdressers, but the reason for me not going to the hairdressers ever anymore is because they messed up my hair several times. It's several different people. Yeah, I'm just not feeling brave enough anymore to go to the hairdressers. Okay, then we got this number one as well, which we put in. There we go. Is developer cream. Yeah, so like basically I wanted the story of my hair. I don't know if I ever talked about it on my channel, but basically I always had dark hair. So my natural hair is dark brown. And obviously there was like a couple of times when I wanted to like be lighter and all that kind of stuff. And then we have number 3, which is going to go on your hair. Okay, so that's an after color care. Always wanted to be a little bit lighter, and I don't know why though, because I just think black hair or dark hair is nicer than lighter. I don't know if just me like telling it to myself, but yeah, I really think. I went to the hairdressers and I said to them that I want my hair to be lighter. So there was once when they were like, oh yeah, let's just put like blonde highlights in it. And I remember I had like the night before I had to go to the hairdressers, because I can't imagine myself being blonde because I'm just really dark, I think, like my skin, and people always think I'm Spanish. Okay, now you're gonna see my hair really ugly. Anyway, so then I went to the hairdressers and they were like, yeah, let's just put just like blonde hair dye in it. And I was like, okay, that's fine. But then yeah, I had nightmare. Can't speak today. Then I had nightmares, and then they done it and it didn't look that bad. I don't think I have a picture because it was really long time ago, and then I'm not really like a selfie person anyway. Then after I had that for a little bit, then went back to black, obviously, because that's my thing. And years later, so my hair was like really long. Oh, this is the best. Like after taking off your bra, this is the second best thing, opening your hair. Yeah, so then I went back to the hairdressers and I was like, I really want something different. I really want to have a lighter hair. And then they were like, oh yeah, like, we can put a lighter brown on your hair, but we have to take off the black color because I had my hair black for so many years. So obviously, she has to bleach my hair. So I was at the time, I didn't know what the hell like she's gonna do. I just thought she's gonna put a little bit of bleach on, take some color off, and that's it. But no, she basically like bleached my whole hair. So imagine, like, I think my hair was like longer than now, so it's down to here. So it was like a little bit longer than that. I'm sorry that I look ridiculous. My hair is so greasy and everything. She imagined like bleaching all this hair. And then I remember like I was so angry because I came out of the hairdressers with my hair broken down to my shoulder. So it took me about I think it was like 3 years when I had to literally grow my hair back. And even the one like grew back was like absolutely ridiculous because obviously all the hair was on my head was dead because of the bleaching. So it took me 8 years. And I'm not sure if Rachel watching this video, but she used to be my manager at my old work and my friend. She used to be a hairdresser like back in the day. She told me about this oil, which I'm gonna link down below, and I already did before with my hair video. It was like a hair, like how to, I don't remember what the video was. It was something about my hair, like how do I do my hair, or what do I do with it. And then basically I started using that hair oil, and that's like sorted my hair out so much. So it's like obviously gave so much, like, I know everyone hates this word, but a lot of moisture to my hair. And obviously I started to put a lot of conditioning and all these oils and stuff like that on my hair. So I was like oiling my hair every day. And then yeah, that like kind of sorted my hair out. But to be honest, my hair is quite dry anyway, because I've got these you can see, like if I don't style it, it's just really dry and kind of like a lion. It's like between like curly and wavy. I don't really know like what the term for this hair, but it's basically like if I go to the sea, I go on a holiday, or if I just sleep with my hair down when it's wet, then it's going really curly. But if I just like wash my hair normally and I dry it, I look like a crazy person. So if anybody who's watching these videos or watching my videos know any like good tip about how to deal with that, because normally I have my hair up anyway, because obviously like I work in the gym, I'm sweating, and you know, I don't really wear my hair down other than if I go somewhere or if I like straighten my hair. So that's like, then it goes like really nice and soft. Look at that, how many silver hairs. That's no cream, that's my hair. That is crazy. Yeah, so I only wear my hair down if I go out or anything like that, or just when I have I just want to feel like pretty and stuff. Then I know I don't have any classes or anything to teach, then I do wear it down, but not very often. I just decided to I basically was watching YouTube the other day. You know, like when YouTube recommends you like videos and stuff, recommendation for this girl's YouTube video, and it said on the title that chemotherapy is making her hair fall out. So I just literally clicked on it and then I started watching it, and then basically the whole video was about her brushing her hair for about 5 to 10 minutes and every day, and then showing you how much hair falls out of her head. It was so sad. And then by the end of the video, obviously she was bald. Like it just made me feel really sad. And then I realized like how much hair I have, and then why am I not like growing it for charity or giving it to some like cancer whatever, like charities or anything like that. And I decided that I don't know if they take like dyed hair, because my hair's been dyed, but I don't think really like I'm not sure. I need to search about it, but I don't think they're that fussy about that. Anyway, so I thought, because my hair grows really quick and it's really long anyway, so I think I'm gonna grow it down to about my bum. Now it's down to my lower back, so yeah, a little bit lower. So it's gonna be so much work, but whatever. And it's harder for those people, isn't it? So I always need to think that way. And grow it down, then cut it to about like mid back. So that's still a lot of hair. And then give it to charity. So like someone who actually has problems with these, and obviously like they're fighting for their life or whatever, you know, like I can donate my hair, because why not? I have a lot, you know. So that's what I'm doing now, and taking a lot of like vitamins for it. So it's a bit more healthy and trying to look after it a bit more. Yeah, so if you know like how to, or you know any products what makes my hair not being so frizzy, then please like comment it down below, because I would really love to hear that and go and buy it or order it or whatever. Oh my god, so much work. And that's actually good, because like I can do it for myself. A lot of people have to go to the hairdressers and pay so much money. I'm so thankful that I'm very like creative and good at things. You know. And then I had another time when I wanted to do, I think I have a picture of that, it's really funny. My fiance says it's disgusting, I'll never ever do it again at all, but I wanted to do a hairstyle which looked like Cruella de Vil. So there's a YouTuber. She had, I link her channel down below as well, but at the time I didn't know she's doing YouTube. I think I found her on Instagram. Basically So I was like, I want to have that white part, so I like just look different, you know. And then I started doing that, or like wanted to do that, and I went to the hairdressers again. That was an absolutely like mess what she done. It's like, I remember like telling her like, oh my god, my hair burns, oh my head burns, sorry, and then she was like, oh no, it's fine, like, because she had like other customers, which pissed me off. Yeah, the bleach was burning my hair, which I told her, but she said it's fine, obviously, because it was not her head. I think it's because my hair is naturally really dark, so like I don't think it was anything to do with her, or like not really sure, but obviously it's possible because this girl had it, but I don't know if her hair is that dark like mine. And then obviously because I had my hair dyed for so many years, it's harder to get the color out. So she done half of my hair to like white, or like bleached it out, and then basically it only turned to like yellowish. So I obviously don't want to walk around with the yellow hair, you know, like I wanted to have it white. So I had it for like a couple of days. People were looking at me really weird though. I think it looked really cool actually. If it was white, I would definitely leave it, but it's because it's just like yellow, like a little bit lighter than piss yellow obviously, but yeah, I didn't like that, and then just dyed it back to black. So it's always going back to black in the end. Everyone's telling me that it's just nicer. I just brushed my hair, see, it's like gets tangled so easily. And then the last color hair was like this purpley like color I dyed for, but that was like basically I started dyeing my hair. So like now how it was like my roots were like growing down, so I just, instead of dyeing it to black, I just started dyeing it to purple, and then slowly like my whole hair turned purple. And I really like the color on the hair, but like I think it just didn't suit me as much, or like I don't know, I just hated the fact that my eyebrows are black, and that obviously you're not gonna dye your eyebrows purple unless you want to, but I kind of want to keep it natural. Yeah, I just didn't like the fact that my eyebrows were different color, so I went back to black in the end again. See, that's nice that like down here you don't have that much hair. It's like so much quicker to dye than on the top, and luckily I'm not dyeing my whole hair, I was only the root. I look like an idiot. Done. That is done. So that's my so that's my hair without straightening it or like styling it as like curly or anything. It looks really dry, as you can see, but it's not like, it's not unhealthy or anything, it's just like how my hair is, like that's my hair type. So if I wanted to obviously make it curly, I would like dry it with these, and that gives my curls and everything, or I have to like straighten it basically. But yeah, this is how it looks, just like drying it. What I'm gonna do today is I'm probably gonna like straighten it after, so you can see how it looks. But yeah, no more grey hairs. I love it when I dye my hair. But anyway, done. So that's my hair. So as you kind of can see what I mean by straightening my hair, and it's just like doesn't look really dry, and then when I don't do anything to it, it does. I probably should put on a different t-shirt because you can't really see anything, so let me do that. Okay, so it's a little bit lighter color, so you can kind of see. Oh, let me go back. Yeah, that's why it's so nice to have a long hair, because it's like really hard to get in the shot. But yeah, I'll show you from the back if I can. So as I said to you, I'm trying to, so it's down here. So this is where my lower back is, and I'm trying to grow it down to about there, and then probably cut it to about the middle of my back. So it's still long, and then hopefully help some people out with some hair. Yeah, so that was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know if you know any good products for my hair to make it a little bit better, so it's not going to be too frizzy. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!